Welcome to the official release of TM1 Bedrock Pi version 1.2. This update introduces a new core feature, the Dimension Builder module. Built on the power of pandas for high-performance vectorized operations and TM1 Pi for seamless API interaction, this module automates the entire lifecycle of your TM1 dimensions. It doesn't just build structures, it manages attributes, handles complex validation, and solves dynamic element type mutation. You can now convert numeric elements to string type or leaf elements into consolidations on the fly without manual intervention or destroying the dimension. Under the hood, every main operation follows a strict get, normalize, and validate pattern. Before any data hits your TM1 server, our pipeline performs schema and graph validations, such as checking for circular references or ensuring attribute integrity. To give you full control over your data history, we've introduced 3 distinct build strategies. Rebuild, a smart synchronization that creates or updates structures while preserving existing data and internal IDs for any elements present in the source. Update, a topology preserving mode that never deletes. Anything missing from the source is moved to a configurable Orphan parent, keeping its local hierarchy intact. Update with Unwind, designed for clean archiving, this moves unused elements to a flat list under the Orphan parent, stripping away old consolidations. Before we jump into the code, let's look at our source. The Dimension Builder is format agnostic, natively supporting SQL, CSV, and Excel. As you can see here in our example file, the module effortlessly parses indented levels, filled levels, and standard parent-child lists, normalizing them into a unified structure automatically. Now let's see how simple it is to implement this in Python. First, we initialize our TM1 service using TM1 Pi. Next, we define our parameters. We specify our dimension name and provide the path to our Excel source file. For this demo, we are setting the input format to indented levels and choosing the rebuild strategy. Since the dimension doesn't exist yet, this will perform a clean, optimized creation. Finally, we define our level columns, which tells the builder exactly which Excel columns represent our hierarchy depth. With the parameters set, we call the function. The pandas engine validates the logic, checks the graph, and TM1 Pi pushes the structure to TM1 in a single high-speed pass. The process is complete. If we switch over to Cedar, we can see our new dimension structure is perfectly built, including all hierarchies and attributes mapped directly from our source. Version 1.2 of TM1 Bedrock Pi is available now. For more information, detailed documentation, or to contribute, follow us on LinkedIn or visit the project's GitHub page. Thanks for watching.